Hey everyone, my name is Sharina Ansimitran from 107, and now I want to explain to you the three types of computer threats. Number one, virus. Number two, worms. And the last one is the Trojan horse. We proceed the virus. A computer virus is malicious software program designed to replicate, insert, and spread from one computer to another. It can attach the program or documentation, and when accepted, it can infect another files or the internal system. Virus often cause harm by corrupting or destroying data, normal computer system or operation, or even stealing sensitive information to essential to use antivirus software and practice safe compounding habits to reduce the risk or virus infection. Computer virus daw ay isang programa na nakakasira o kumakalat sa loob ng ating computer system. Ito ay maaaring magdulot ng mga iba't ibang issue tulad ng data loss system o iba pa, o pagiging daan para sa iba pang malware. Ang mga virus ay maaaring kumalat sa pamamagitan ng email attachment o infected na mga website o pag-share ng mga infected na files para mapanatili ang seguridad ng computer. Mahalaga ang regular na pag-update ng antivirus software at pag-iingat sa mga download at pag-open ng mga files mula sa di kilalang sources. Now, what is virus worms? The context of computer, a worm replicate to a type of malicious software that can replicate itself and spread independently to another computer over a network. Unlike the virus, worms don't need a host file to attach to, can operate on their own. They often option vulnerabilities in a system security to spread and can access a harm by consuming network, bandwidth slowly down system, or delivering play loss that may damage of computer or computer system. Yung virus worm daw is, ito yung naka-attach na sa mismong computer natin. Unlike sa virus na gumagamit pa ng files para mapasok yung ating privacy or yung security. Yung worms naman daw is, ito ay naka-attach na sa mismong computer natin or gumagapang na siya. Like words na worms nga, di ba? So, gumagapang yung virus worms natin. If nagpasok ka ng file sa computer, is damay na yun, ma-replicate na yun, is mapapasok na siya ng virus worms natin. Kaya, mas mabuting mag-ingat na lang tayo. Dalawa yung pagkakaiba ng virus sa virus worms dahil yung virus is kailangan ng files para mapasok yung ating computer system, and the worms naman is no need na siya dahil naka-attach na siya sa mismong computer natin or dun na siya sa loob at gumagapang na siya para makuha yung information at madali yung mga files na mahalaga sa atin. Yes, what is a Trojan horse? A Trojan horse is a type of malicious software that disguises itself as something legitimate or begging but actual context harmful code. Once installed on a computer or device, it can perform virus malicious action without the user acknowledge such as stealing data, damage files, and providing an access on the system. Ang Trojan horse daw is, ito yung ibig sabihin na nagbabalat kayo lamang po siya na akala natin is legit siya na files or website pero hindi pala. Example, wala kang Play Store sa cellphone mo, tas nag-search ka sa Google or Chrome ng Mobile Legend, download, etc. Ganon. Tas may lumabas sa website mo na free download. Tas hindi mo alam, yung download mo pala is isang Trojan horse na nagbabalat kayo lamang siya na isang website. Then pag na-download mo yun is, papasok niya na. So, hindi mo alam yung system mo is, meron na siyang virus or na na-finalize na yung mga privacy mo, yung mga information mo, yung mga files mo sa loob ng computer. Yung Trojan horse daw, ito yung masasabi mong madaya or taksil kasi akala mo legit na file siya na magiging okay or makaka-download ka nga ng files o ng website pero ang kapalit nun is yung na-download mo pala is isang virus or isang Trojan horse. Ito yung nag-duplicate sa mga ibang application na nagbabalat kayo nga lamang po siya.
The virus occurs when the software is run on a computer. A worm is a self-replicating program that's harmful to network. A worm uses the network to duplicate its code to the host on the network, often without any user intervention. Trojan horse technical is a worm is do not need to be attached to another software. Instead, a Trojan threat is hiding in software that appears to do what things and yet behind the scenes in those other.
Hey guys, lang. Turuan ko kayo paano mag-activate ng firewall. Firewall Defender. Ang una-una, ano ang firewall? Firewall have a security feature that is activated when it comes in contact with such malicious programs. Ito ang mga benefits ng firewall. Monitors your network traffic, stop virus attack, prevents hacking, stops spyware, promotes privacy. Kailangan natin i-on yan para sa privacy natin at hindi tayo ma-hack kagad-kagad. Tsaka hindi masira ang mga data natin pag na-hack tayo kagad. Kailangan nila i-bypass mo na yan. Ito may pre-recorded video ako na ino-open ko yung firewall. Search mo muna, control panel. Okay, enter. Recorded video lang yun pinutin itong control panel sa taas. Yan. This system and security, pinutin. And, saan na tayo dito? Hanapin mo dyan yung Windows Defender Firewall. Ayan. Pinutin. Tapos, hanapin mo yung 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn on Windows Defender Firewall. On or off. Ayan. Pag naka-green na yan, okay na yan. Pero pag naka-off yan, siya recommended. Kaya nakasulad din dito, turn off Firewall Defender, not recommended. Kaya, i-on nyo. So, pwede mong i-off yan pag wala ka sa internet. Pero pag nasa internet ka, i-on mo kasi pwede kang ma-hack or mapasok yung computer mo. Okay na. Then press okay. Okay na. That's all. Thank you very much.
And that's all the presentation by Sharina Hansi Medlan and Joyan Malisay. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye-bye.